vegan?
Yes.
Well, I've been vegan or plant-based since almost 14 years ago.
May drama?
West Philippine Sea, atin to.
Okay, what's your name?
I'm Christine Subilon Lim.
And what you do for a living?
I'm a Philippine Navy Goodwill Ambassador for Culture and Arts. I'm also a missionary visual artist.
Are you vegan?
Yes, I wouldn't consider myself as vegan, but I'm a plant-based advocate.
Okay, so since when ka naging plant-based?
Going 7 years this February.
O bakit ka nag-shift?
We were able to watch this documentaries about plant-based diet, veganism, kung ano-ano, mga namamatay na hayop, and then namamatay na planeta. And I was pregnant during that time. And my husband, my ex-husband now,
May drama?
convinced me and to go vegan, and I was like, okay, yeah. And I decided to bring up my kids na vegan sila. Sakto naman, kinuha ako ng Sustainable PH to be their director for culture and arts, and I was researching about sustainability, and yun nga, na-discover ko that the best way to promote a sustainable living is to go plant-based.
In your journey, saan ka pinaka nahirapan sa switch mo?
Ako wala naman akong, kasi yung disiplina naman sa amin, mamang problema bilang sandalo, pinakamahirap yung mga hanash ng mga tao. Yan talaga. One of the main reasons that I decided to go plant-based is because I follow what's written in the Bible. Buksan nyo na lang. Gusto ko magbukas kayo ng Bible. Genesis chapter 1 verse 29. And I believe that we really have to be a good steward of God's creations. I know that God has called me for this specific reason, to advocate for plant-based lifestyle. And I want to help people transition. I want to be kinder to them. I want to be more understanding to them, kasi hindi naman ganun kadali eh. Hindi naman lahat ng bagay na kinasanayan natin ay tama, pero hindi din madaling iwasan at baguhin yon. And that's the reason why we have LP here. Kasi ito talaga yung perfect na food to make sure matulungan natin yung mga tao, lalo na yung mga bata na nagda-transition into a plant-based lifestyle.
So, alin sa LP na menu ang pinaka ma-recommend mo sa mga tao?
Lahat. No, but I'm kidding. Right now, we have this project. It's called Pastil for a Cause. And since I'm the Philippine Navy Goodwill Ambassador for Culture and Arts, we decided to create something that will help our cultural heritage and promote yung mga indigenous food natin. Because as a cultural ambassador nga, I believe na kailangan i-uphold din natin kung ano yung mga pagkain na nakasanayan ng mga Filipino, but at the same time, create something na mas ma-accept ng vegan community or those people who wants to transition. And yung mga proceeds yan, mapupunta sa Support Your Navy Foundation. Tutulungan natin yung ating mga sundalo, mga taga-hukbong dagat ng Pilipinas para mabantayan lalo ang ating West Philippine Sea, because ang West Philippine Sea atin to.
Okay, final question. Any tips for people who want to transition or want to shift their lifestyle?
You just have to be intentional. You just have to find that purpose. Kasi kung walang purpose, hindi nyo magagawa yan. You have to have that purpose in order for you to have that discipline. And syempre, do it with the love of God.
Hi, I'm LP, short for LPDO, and I'm the founder of LP Veg House.
And are you vegan?
Well, I've been vegan or plant-based since mid-year of 2011, almost 14 years ago.
So what happened in 2011 that made you switch to plant-based?
Originally, I was just doing it because I want to have a high score during my nursing licensure exam. And then my theory that time, if I eat a clean plant-based food, maganda yung circulation ko towards my brain so I can function well. Ang ganda ng score ko, number 1 ako whole Mindanao and top 11 ako sa...
Oh, wow!
Ayaw ko na.
So did you switch immediately or slowly?
Immediately, because I was really desperate to really have a high score that time. Pero supposedly, ano lang yun eh, temporary. Kasi sabi ko, after I passed the board exam, okay na. I immediately went back to my usual food. Fast food, you know.
Meat.
Yeah, meat. Pero, tambay ako that time. So I was waiting for response from hospitals that I have applied. Nanood ako ng mga documentary films about, hindi ko pa masyado alam yung veganism na term that time, vegetarianism pa. And I was able to watch The Earthlings by Joaquin Phoenix sa YouTube. At doon, iyak na ako. And then, okay, tuloy ko na to. Yung 14 years ko na journey as a plant-based or vegan advocate and lifestyle practitioner, hindi naman siya perfect.
In your journey, 14 years journey, saan ka pinaka nahirapan sa transition mo?
Well, usually, sa totoo lang, I really love fast food. Sabihin ko na lang, I love Jollibee, I love McDo, you know. Pero nahirapan ako eh. I keep on praying, Lord, sana magkaroon ng plant-based or vegan version sa mga favorites natin ng mga fast food. Eh wala, ang tagal-tagal nila. So what I did, I made my own. It's a fast food style, plant-based versions ng mga favorites natin. So, para ako si Jollibee, para ako si McDo, pero lahat gulay.
In your restaurant, alin yung pinaka may pagmamayabang mo?
Well, ako, pinagmamayabang ko ngayon, yung Pastil for a Cause namin. It's a collaboration between Philippine Navy, Armed Forces of the Philippines, and LP Veg House. Kasi parts of the proceeds will go to support your Navy Foundation and tutulungan natin yung mga victims ng Chinese aggression sa West Philippine Sea. So, we really encourage not just us, all Filipinos to support whatever we can contribute to the Philippine Navy and Armed Forces.
Any tips or advice for people who want to switch to a plant-based lifestyle?
For me, it really helps if you can do it one at a time and then make it more encouraging. For me, in my journey, mas effective yung we have to focus more on what we love than what we hate. To be more positive about it. And then, kahit magkamali tayo, okay lang. Tuloy-tuloy lang ako. Ang dami ko pagkakamali. Nababash din ako. Pero tuloy-tuloy lang kasi our heart, our intentions are really to make the Philippines and the world a better place. Hindi lang para sa mga tao, para din sa mga kapwa pinsan or cousins natin in the animal kingdom, the animals. Kasi yung mga animals talaga ang number one victim about ng ginagawa natin sa, especially the meat industry, kawawa yung mga hayop. Yun talaga ang reason bakit natin ginagawa to. Ano lang, you do it with kindness, just be happy about it, just be excited about it, and matuto tayong magluto. Ako natuto na din ako magluto.